Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reflective text effect on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to simply select add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word reflection on it. And then you're just going to select the font as well. You can choose any fonts that you want, of course. I'm just going to select something like, I'm trying to find one that's like cute. I mean, I like this one. Wait, where did it go? It's not that one that I chose before. Oh, it's this one, but the L and the F is very close together, so I'm just going to make it like that. Select the color that you want. I'm just going to select this blue, and just going to then copy and paste it. Oops. Copy and paste that. And then on this one, I'm just going to simply rotate it. I like to do this by right clicking and selecting create compound clip and rotating it this way, and then pressing the mirror button for that mirror text effect. You can then go to basic and adjust the opacity as well if you don't want it too harsh. And I'm also going to, I think, let's see, change the canvas as well. You can select colors, or you can go to style and find stuff like this, like these. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!